Well, hello, shirlierox here. I'm super excited to check this out. This is main sequence. So this is a space sim factory builder where we have a goal of building an interstellar industrial empire. So I'm thinking Satisfactory in space, Factorio in space. Let's see if it is like that. So there's like a building mode, and there's also a mode where you fly the spaceship and you collect stuff. So yeah, we're going to have a look at this. And it's by a developer called the Tumbling Dumpling Studio. No ETA when this is out, but there is a playtest at the moment you can request access to and jump in. So yeah, let's do new game. And we're going to go on Planetary Field. Eventually there's going to be two other ones. I'm not sure what they're going to be, but we're going to check this one out. This is a dense asteroid field with plenty of resources and solar potential. Suitable for beginners. So let's dive in this. Click create world. Got my seed down there. Let's just see what the world is like. Okay, welcome to my world. So, right, so what are we going to do? Right, we're going to move around with Wasada. This is my little ship. As you can see, ooh, what's this? We've got a reactor, Stanok reactor. And then we've got the actual spaceship bit here. We've got a little room here. We've got a workbench. And then we've got, can we go into space? Maybe it's building space. We can build more stuff in there. Right, so first of all, it wants me to get into the pilot seat. So let's start piloting with F. Right, now we can scan for resources by pressing V. And then you got a little toggle wheel. So we've got water, ice, silica, titanium, and nickel. So scan for a little bit of titanium. And if you move round, you can eventually see where it is. So I can see it's over here. There's a little asteroid over here with 64 of it in. And it's this one. Oh, there's a few actually. And it's a mine. It's really, it's funny because you just got, you unleash the fury. You do, that's how you mine. So you mine it like that, and then you can tractor beam by holding down the right button, and you pull in your asteroids. That is such a cool dynamic, though. The fact that you do it like that, though, I've never seen a game where it makes it so easy to collect the resources. Can I mine from a distance? Oh yeah. No, you need to be near to actually collect the stuff, though, don't you? Well, actually, no. Yeah, you can. You can. It's a range thing. Right, we also need to get some nickel ore. So where is that? That's the bottom one. Okay, we're seeing a signal down here somewhere. Let's give it another little scan. No, this one. Where is it? It's up here somewhere. There we go. There's only 4. Oh, this is water. Well, we do need to get water. We need to get 50. Let's come near it and shooty. Nice. We'll get near and collect it. Perfect. Right, let's see if we can get a bit more water while we're here. I need 10 more. So it is over here. I wonder what the range of the tractor resource is. Doesn't actually tell me. Go and grab all of that. Suck it all in. Open a ship's inventory while piloting with E to access the mined ore. So that's all the stuff there that we're collecting. Right, and then we need the nickel. Where is the nickel at? It's here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's quite obviously got full of nickel. Okay, and then we'll go and collect all this. Okay, so we need 50. Lovely. Right, we can return back to ship now. So I can just press H to stop. See, that's the cool thing about this, right? Let me just stop a second. Because we're in space, we are essentially carrying our tools with us. So, look, I'll just go back to me stuff now, and I can start making stuff. Okay, so we need to make 25 thermal plates. So here's the recipes. Now, thermal plates. How do I make a thermal plate? Nickel plate, hydrogen fuel. I don't think we've got any other things to build with. That's the reactor. Okay, so that's the fuel for the reactor. Hydrogen fuel. How do I actually do this then? So we've got to make 25. Are these both different things? We've got an assembler and we've got that. So first of all, I need to make 25 titanium plates. So if I click it once, it does it. What happens if I click it with shift? Okay, that makes a lot of plates. And we need to do 25. I also need to make hull plates. A hull plate is titanium plates. Okay, so this is cool. So this is actually automatically doing all that now. And I can make nickel plates as well. So we can queue that in. And I can make fuel, which is from the water. But we need to make titanium plates, which we are doing. And then I need to make more hull plates. 5 hull plates I need to make. I can make 5 at the moment. Well, 4 at the moment. So that is okay. We'll do that one as it's a 3D printer. It's the best thing ever. It's the best thing I've ever seen in a game. Look at it. Oh, that is cool. We also need to make what lightweight frames. What is that? More titanium plates. I need to make 5 of them. So do I need to go and get... Okay, and I think we should have enough titanium plates. All right, let's do that. Yeah, I've made enough titanium plates, luckily. Because I think we're still doing it there. Look. it's got to do 84 of them, then it's making the other stuff. Right, so we've made these bits now. Let's see. Where are my bits at? I mustn't be able to like just... Do we collect them from this? Oh, it's in the inventory of the ship. Okay. Right. Press Q while sitting in the pilot seat to open the build menu. So here we go. Let's pilot again. Make sure the required materials are in the ship's inventory, which you can access with E. Yes. So I've got 20 hull plates, 10 lightweight frames, and I've got 16 of those. Right. Now it wants me to make a station. So let's press Q. This is the thing, starter station. This ships can dock at this, and it provides power and stability. So we need 20 of them, 10 of them, and then we are going to build this. Oh, this is going to be interesting. So I don't know where I should put it. I don't think there's any necessarily bad idea for me to put it here. So let's just put it. Fly close to the docking arm, and a prompt appears. Okay, we'll press F. And we're going to dock with this. Now, can I get out of the ship? How do I get out of this? Press T to select research. So we need to build machines, build a reactor, a refinery, and a science lab. Okay. I don't think I need to do any of this. Do I need to do any of this yet? Right, how do I get out of... Press H to stop piloting. Ooh, okay, so here's the actual station now. Look at this. Okay, this is pretty cool. So this is our basic area to build in now. And we've got inventory there, we can transfer stuff. We've got a designer there. We can design the actual... Oh, this is bonkers. That looks like I can design the actual layout of the station. Right. So we need to build a reactor, a refinery, and a science lab. So we need a reactor, we need titanium plates and coils. So magnetic coils. Let's go and see what the recipe is for magnetic coils. So magnetic coils are nickel plates. Now, I was smelting a load of these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in this. Yeah, hold to undock. Right, we're going to... Whoa, don't crash, don't... Okay. Did I seriously just crash into the... the space station. Right, we're going to go and collect a load of resources. So let's get silica. I've not collected any of that yet, so I'm going to try and grab some of that. Okay, I can see there's 56 here. I'm just going to get a load of resources. Come on. So we've not collected silica before, so we'll collect this. Now, can you collect resources without actually seeing what it is? Apparently you can. Lovely. Okay. Let's get some nickel while we're here then. Where's my nickel? Okay. Nickel is the super shiny one, isn't it? Grab all of that. Thank you very much. In fact, there's even more here, look. Perfect. I've got loads of space for everything here. I've got loads of water I've not used yet. I think I should get some more titanium. I think we're going to be doing a lot of building. Okay, there's 40 in this one. What's in this one that's in the way? Interesting. So that's like an indestructible one. Where is it? Is it behind this one? So there is non-destructible asteroids. Can we shoot past it and get the good stuff? No, not easily. We have to fly away and whack it and then grab it all. Okay, let's see what we've got now. So we've got quite a bit of nickel, quite a bit of ice. We've not got an awful lot of silica, so I'm going to grab a little bit more of that. 64 in this one. Yes, please. So you can just shoot from a distance like that and just get loads out. Okay, let's go back to the station. Okay. So we're just going to fly near this and land. Then it was it H to dog? F. There we go. Automated docking. Perfect. Even puts me the right way around. And then I want to H. I'm so going to start pressing undock on that by mistake. Right. We need to do more smelting, don't we? So let us do... Let's just queue all of that up. Because that can just keep going in the background, can't it? And then that'll be on the ship. Okay, so let's start trying to build some of this stuff now. Ooh, actually, I need to build a reactor. So I need magnetic coils. And I need titanium plates. So let's make us some titanium plates. I think we're making those in a second once we've finished doing that. Let's make some of these magnetic coils. So we probably need a load of them. So let's just make a big mass of them. Make 26 of them. Now let's cancel that one and start making the titanium plates here because we need to get these done ASAP. And we need 25 of those. Actually, if you look, I have got a stack of 50 titanium plates. So I could really take these with me. Yeah, I think I needed 5 and 5. So this is perfect. This is just enough. Now, I'm assuming the floor bits here is where I can build, like, an item. So we're going to build a reactor. Okay, so we can place it around like that. Now, why can I not place that there? Place machinery on the factory floor. Now, Insufficient. Wait a minute. Insufficient building. Oh, yeah, I need 10. And I've got 8. Back to the assembler, Shirlz. Okay. I mean, I have got like 21 now. That's more than enough. Okay, so that gives us a good little tip then, doesn't it? If it's red, it means you've not got the stuff to do it. I can make, that's how many I can build as well. Look, I can make 2. I only want 1 now. Now, I don't want that being in the way, so I'm going to stick it there. Now, what do I do now? I think that's attached. Right, we now need to build a refinery as well. So this is a refinery. We'll build one of those. We've got a refinery and a science lab. Let's do the refinery there. Right-click cancels. And a science lab. A machine used to convert items into research. Now, can we rotate? We can. So I want to put that facing that way. Okay. Right. Mission complete. Select a new mission. Let's select a new mission. Automation. Let's accept that one. And upgrading. Let's get them both. Okay. So research logistics with T. So we'll press T. And I need to do logistics, which is this one. So let's add it to the queue. And in order to research that, what do I do? Science lab. Now, how do I research it though? So I've got logistics added there. So it says logistics unlocks cost 10 material science. Oh, okay. So how do I make material science? I've obviously got to sort of produce it. I've not got a recipe in there to do it. Reactor as fuel. That's fine. Look at the description for the science module. A machine it used to convert items into research consumes that much power. It must be built on a station. Maybe we just need to power it up. Okay, so this obviously uses power. So let's have a little look about how do I make power. So we've got these things here. Let's make a load of that. And can I drag? Okay, let's cancel those. Make a load of fuel. Is it making the fuel now? Yeah, it is. 25. And we'll stick a single power thing into... No, I think we need to grab it from here. Where do I actually get my... So that E is my personal inventory. F is the ship. I can't see the power nuggets though. Hydrogen fuel. I don't know if I'm being dense. I can't see it anywhere. Is it just a thing that I have on me, but it doesn't show in my inventory? Let's go and see if I can put power in here. Well, I've definitely not got power. That's the dock. I can rename it. I can call it Shell Station. No, I can call it the International Shell Station. Oh, ISS. Oh, it's so good. I can change the color as well. Oh, can I make it pink? Okay, I think I've made it pink. Think, or have I? Come on. Oh, okay, you can change the color. Okay. Right, I want it. No, I want it. Yes. Okay. Perfect. We have the pink station. Everything is now much calmer. fabulous. Barbie is going to come here and love it. Right, where are these going? These nodules, because I'm making them. I don't know where they're going. I'm really confused. Right, we'll wait for it to finish and then see what happens, because I ain't got a clue where this fuel's gone. We've just made a load of it. I mean, one's just popped up there. That is weird. It's like this is bugged. Hydrogen fuel. I just made a stack of 50 and it's only given me one. That is definitely a bug. That should not do that. Right, let's go and see if I can stick the power in here and see if that then is going to give me... Can we right click and split it? Yeah, we're just going to put one in. There we go. Total production 48 millijoules a second. Now, is this connected? So if I feed this hull plates, is that then going to give me science points? I think it will. So if I put these in here. Wait a minute. Are they actually hull plates? No, they're titanium plates. Back over here, Shirlz. So the basic recipe is hull plates. So let's make 25 of those. Go back to making loads of those. I like how this is managed in one screen. That is fantastic. I've never seen that in a game before. Normally it'd be like, oh, okay, I'll make this here. Okay, now I'll go and do the smelting here. And this is like, yeah, this is everything. This is all in your face in here. And I love it. Okay, so this is all queued up. If I drop the plates back in here, I can make more hull plates, I think. Yes. Okay, let's get some hull plates. I really want a stack of 5. It's going to upset me if I can't have a stack of 5. No, because that's a titanium plate. Why did I just take the titanium plate out? You go back in there. It's this one. I've got a stack of 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Quick maths. Right, let's go and stick it in here now. And I think I use this, and I think I stick the hull plates in. Oh, here we go. I've made it go boobity boop. Look. Science. We're making science. It's researching stuff. Right. I need to quickly come out of here. Go into space. I need to undock with F. I need to move. I need to find some more ice. Because I totally messed up that power thing. I'm not sure how I did that. I seem to use like 50 resources and I got like 1 bit of power. That can't be how it works. Okay, give me all of that. Any more ice? There's nickel. I don't really need nickel at the moment, do we? But I can't resist collecting it. It is so wonderful to collect things. Any more ice, baby? Here we go. Yeah, we're going to get another little bit over here. Let's aim here and go pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Yes. The pew pews are back. Reminds me of playing EVE Online. Right, so I'm gonna go and grab a little teeny little bit of titanium because we seem to be using an awful lot of that. It's 40 in this asteroid. Let's see if we can get a good shot. Not very good at aiming, are you, Shirlz? Okay. Now, question is, I'm already bristling with ideas. Can we build ships that go and collect resources for us? I'm hoping we can. That would be ace. If I could get like a robot ship that just went and did mining. Because this is cool, but we want to try and elevate this. Now, how do I find the big pink palace of Shirlz? Yeah. I'm not immediately seeing it spinning around. Oh no. Right, there's a map. Okay. Where is the pink palace? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Look at the size of the system. That is bonkers. That is silly. Silly big, right. There's the station there. How do I... Can I add a marker to that? Yeah. Right mouse button adds HUD marker. Let's press M again. Can I see a marker? Bottom left, look. Nice. Oh, look, it was there as well. I don't know if we can change the axis while we're in space. Oh, we can. Right mouse button. I think it's leveled us off. Okay, let's go back to my lovely little station, and I'm gonna press F and I'm gonna dock. Perfect. And then we press H. They're the two buttons that I'm gonna keep forgetting to press, I think. Right. Let's go back to this. I'm gonna need a load more titanium plates, so I'm gonna do. Let me just do one of this. Right. If I do one, does that simply make one and place it in here? See, it doesn't. Now, where is it going? That's what I do not understand. Have I found like a bug? I don't understand why it's not dropping stuff into here. Because it's definitely not doing it. Look. Is it a bug? I wonder. If you've got something in this slot here, let's do an experiment. If you've got something in that slot there and you say make a hydrogen fuel, is it? Oh no. I thought I'd figured it out. Let's just make a load while I can. While it seems to be spawning. Okay. We'll make a load of that. I don't know if we need more hull plates at the moment, so let's go back over here. Okay, how's this all going on? Have you still got power? No, you haven't. There you go. Stick that in. Ooh, the little swirly thing on the power's nice. Yeah, this is why we needed more fuel. It does seem to be quite thirsty. So we can bring that in like that. Just fully stock this with fuel here. So we'll come in here. Stick a stack of 9 in. So I literally need to collect loads of fuel then, don't I? So let's press F, undock. And look for more icy water. Okay, it's 48 in this one. Give me your icy goodness. Nice. 48 in that one. Okay. Let's get one more. Ooh. Brucey bonus. We've got 2. Okay, grab that one. Grab that one. Yes. Oh, look at the ice. Oh, I am Iceman. Now, I don't really need any more at the moment, so I'd like it if there's an easier way besides going... I don't know, is there an easier way of getting back to the space station. I mean, I've got... Oh, I've got the thing added on here still, haven't I? That map marker. Maybe I should just leave that on. We've not actually looked at the station up close either, have we? Let's try and do a little flyby and see what there is to see. Okay, we're actually upside down. I want to fly next to it and have a little look. Okay, it doesn't have my name on it. That's just dog. And H. Okay, have we got more fuel that I can... Yeah, okay, we've got 12. Not bad. I can make a massive amount. I can make 38 now. It's not a massive amount, is it? The fuel runs out so quickly. Actually, or does it? Interesting. What? Oh, do you know what it is? We've run out of hull plates. That's why we're not researching. So we need to go back into this and do more of that. So it's going to be a long process. Anyway, that's all I'm going to show you for now. So this is main sequence. I think I could probably play another like 3 hours or something of this and just do the basics. But yeah, that's cool. I'll probably do a little sequence of this, do like 2 or 3 videos. So keep your eye out for part 2. This is main sequence. I'm shirlierox. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.